Hello, I'm Natasha Ho. Today I want to talk to you guys about oil. Oil is not only an ingredient in the kitchen, it is also a cooking method. It is how we prepare a lot of delicious dishes. So when you are using oil in the kitchen, there's two things you want to consider. First, you want to think about the flavor that the oil is going to bring to the dish that you're preparing. And second, you want to think about how will it react to the heat that you're using to prepare the dish. So the first thing is with flavor. Do we want the oil to provide flavor to the dish? If we do want it to provide flavor, then we want to think about flavorful kinds of oils like sesame oil or olive oil, avocado oil, almond oils. All of those bring flavor. On the other hand, maybe we don't want the oil to shine in the dish and we want the other ingredients to be able to shine. So we'll use a neutral tasting oil, one that doesn't have a lot of flavor. For instance, vegetable oil or canola oil, they don't bring flavor to them because we want the other ingredients to shine. And we also want to make sure that we think about how the oil reacts with heat. So some oils will be able to take a lot of heat, and those oils have something that's called a high smoke point. That means this point at which the oil will start to smoke or fall apart into new kinds of molecules. We don't like those molecules. Those bring in bitter flavors, other kinds of things that are not healthy. So we want to make sure that the oil is able to take the temperature we're looking to use in the dish. For instance, if we're going to deep fry something, we want an oil that can take a high temperature. Vegetable oils, peanut oils, coconut oils, those can take a high temperature versus something like an olive oil, which is not set up to be able to take a high temperature. So we wouldn't want to use that at a very high temperature for deep frying or those kinds of preparations. And that's it on oil. Just remember, you want to think about flavor and the heating method that you're going to use to make sure you use the right oil every time. I'll see you next time. Bye.